Hey, Scott Young here. Thanks for joining me on this video. We all know the golden rule, right? Which is to do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Well, in affiliate marketing, there are also golden rules that you need to follow. The first golden rule is you reap what you sow. What I mean by that is if you're out there selling junky products, cheap products that don't actually help anybody, you're going to get cheap results and you're going to get results that don't help anybody. So what you sow out there, meaning what you put out there, the product and your content, your emails, your videos, everything that you put out there, if you're putting out good high quality stuff, then you're going to get back profits and a growing business. So that's rule number one, golden rule number one. You reap what you sow in this business. Now, the second rule is that related to the first one is that you need to provide really high value to your leads. So you've got people coming in through traffic sources, right? And they're coming into your sales funnel. Within that sales funnel, you need to be providing some really good, valuable tips, hacks, training, tutorials, things that are actually helping people that you're giving them free, right? Because you want to provide them value. And through that process, you're actually developing likability, trust, and the people are getting to know you. These leads are actually getting to know who you are because you are actually helping them and they're getting to see you on a regular basis, whether it's through email or video or whatever it might be. And the end result of that is that they are going to be much more likely to buy the product that you're going to recommend to them, which is the affiliate offer that you are offering to them. So this leads to the next rule, golden rule of affiliate marketing is you need to pick a high value product, a high value product. This is going to be a product that actually solves the problem that your lead is looking for. So let's say you're in the weight loss niche and you're bringing traffic into your funnel because people want to learn how to lose weight. Well, you need to have a product that actually works, that actually helps them to lose weight. I mean, it goes back to the first principle. If you're just finding some ridiculous weight loss product out there that seems to convert well, and you're shoving that off on people and they're buying it and they're not losing weight, well, you're in the long run, you're not going to be successful. You're not going to reap the profits and the stable, reliable business. So find a product that actually works for the leads that are coming in through your funnels, and you'll just feel a lot better at the end of the day because you're helping people, not just kind of scamming them away with some ridiculous product. So those are the golden rules of affiliate marketing, and if you follow these, then you will be successful because you're actually helping people and you're sowing some good things that eventually you will reap. All right, guys. Well, I hope you appreciated this content. I'm going to drop a link in the description below here of the program that I went through that is helping me build a six-figure income. And you can check it out if you want. No pressure here, but I'm just going to leave a link there so you can check it out. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below if you can. And I'll talk to you soon.